Tarot cards are a powerful tool for unlocking your psychic abilities. They provide glimpses into hidden knowledge and offer guidance when we need it the most. To develop your intuition using tarot cards, start by familiarizing yourself with each card and its meaning. Study the symbolism and explore the different interpretations. This will help you establish a connection with the cards and ignite your intuition. Once you understand the basics, practice daily card readings. Draw a card each morning and reflect on its significance in your life. As you become more attuned to your intuition, you'll notice patterns and insights within the cards. Trust these messages from the universe and let your intuition guide you. Another technique to develop your psychic potential is meditation. Quiet your mind, shuffle the cards, and draw one without looking. Allow the energy of the card to reveal messages and insights that will enhance your intuition. Remember, developing your intuition is a journey that requires patience and trust. As you master the art of tarot, your psychic abilities will flourish, leading you to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you.